Welcome to Health Abshar. How is Penang City? Penang is a beautiful city in Malaysia. Georgetown is the multicultural capital of Penang Island. Penang was discovered by Chinese traders in the 15th century and was the first island to be known as a port. That is why the city of Penang became famous. Penang is known for its traditional cuisine. There are about 40 places of entertainment worth visiting here. It is a commercial center of Malaysia known for its British colonial buildings, Chinese, Indian and Muslim shops and mosques. Jurassic Park is a classic adventure film directed by Steven Spielberg and based on the novel by Michael Crichton. Jurassic Park is a classic adventure film directed by Steven Spielberg and based on the novel by Michael Crichton. The story is about Jurassic Park, a natural masterpiece reserve on a remote South American island owned by billionaire businessman John Hammond Richard Attenborough. World is an American science fiction media franchise in which a Michael Crichton made a movie on dinosaurs and they rekindled interest in the centuries-old dead dinosaurs. After writing a novel on him, a movie was also made, and that is why there is also an entertainment center in Malaysia which is called Jurassic Center. It was built by Malaysia XSD NHD in various phases and was opened to the public in 1975. Here, the ticket price for adults was Rm2 and for children Rm1. This park is popular with the public even after 40 years. In this park, there are more than 200 computerized dinosaurs that can be seen moving here and there, which children are both happy and scared to see. It is an interesting place for everyone to visit. You won't believe your eyes to see more than 100 simulated dinosaurs living in the old Jurassic forest. It's a journey back 165 years to when dinosaurs dominated the Earth, and we can see them today at Jurassic Center.